I'm Dan Hunter and I am a PhD student at bees at UNSW, and I'm interested in understanding the role of predators in forest ecosystems and how we might be able to use them to mitigate small mammal declines. And I'm really also interested in how we can use film to communicate research. I think there's a lot of value in sharing our findings and science through the documentary film medium. One of the most important conservation issues, I think, is basically rewilding. So bringing species that have either gone extinct or been removed from areas and bringing them back to certain national parks or wild areas to restore ecosystems. And there's a big push worldwide for rewilding, and I think there's also a push here in Australia, and I think it's beginning to gain a lot of momentum, and I think it's one of the most exciting areas of conservation. Part of my research has been understanding the role of dingoes in our forests, but because dingoes are eradicated because they kill sheep, I've been investigating what role reintroducing Tasmanian devils back to the mainland might have for biodiversity conservation in Australia. And some of my findings have been suggesting that in areas where dingoes have been removed, particularly on the edges of national parks, Tasmanian devils might be able to act as a surrogate species and help control foxes and cats in these areas and hopefully mitigate native mammal extinction.